MDA has been a proud member of the CONFERS consortium since its formation in 2018. As a company that has been involved in on-orbit service technologies for over 38 years, MDA has been at the forefront of most of the on-orbit servicing missions, demonstrations, and operations to date. Today, there is a real shift occurring within the space industry, where satellite servicing is on the verge of expanding beyond the traditional government missions to begin to serve the commercial market. Throughout this shift, the work being done by CONFERS is absolutely necessary to pave the way forward in setting best practices and standards for safe servicing, to foster the collaborative development of technologies, and to aid in the adoption of in-space servicing becoming a normal part of asset operations. Stay tuned for exciting news from MDA in the near future, as we will be unveiling our commercial robotic servicing products that will be specifically designed to target commercial budgets, applications, and use cases.